Hello everyone, here's my latest work, this little orange bird, and I often get asked, where do I get my ideas from? That simple question is sometimes really hard to answer, and in fact I wrote this book, Creative Inspiration, to try and answer it, showing all the different inspirations behind my work. But in this case, the answer is really simple. I bought this calendar, V&A calendar, and in it, where are we? In it was this design by Lindsay Butterfield, 1902, and I really liked it, but I felt it was a background in need of a subject. So I drew this little bird on it and thought no more about it, kept eating my porridge, and over the month I realised that it would make a great mosaic, and here it is. Now, it's a very interesting relationship between orange and green because they're not complementary. If we look at the wheel, the complementary of green is red and the complementary of orange is blue. So they're not complementary, and yet they do sort of pop. I really like it. I'm going to make a series like this. Each one, they're going to be terribly simple, just two colours. Simple in idea, but the execution is actually quite complicated. Anyway, as usual, I've written a verse which goes like this. Orange bird. When this tree was full of oranges, I was hard to spot. But now that all the fruit's dropped off, I stand out such a lot. But I know this is the place where I'm meant to be, because this is the spot where Mama laid me.